In this video, I'll explain how to take care of your watercolor brushes properly. We'll go over brush care while painting, how to clean your brushes properly, how to store your brushes, and how to condition your brushes so they're like new. Brush care while painting. There are two big don'ts for brush care as you're painting. The first is to not use your watercolor brushes for anything other than watercolor, such as masking fluid, acrylic paint, and oil paint. I even use separate brushes for gouache, even though gouache is similar to watercolor. The second big don't while painting is to not dig into your paint with your brush. Instead, gently wipe paint with your brush from pan to palette. Brush care while cleaning. Don't leave your brushes sitting in a jar of water. This will loosen the glue that holds together the ferrule, which is the metal part of your brush, and the handle of your brush. It will also loosen the hairs in your brush over time. Don't use soap to clean your watercolor brushes. Using just water is enough to get your brushes clean. Do clean your brush right when you're done using it and leave it to dry horizontally on a towel. You can also gently wipe your brush on a towel by rolling and shaping your brush and then lay horizontally until fully dry. Brush care while storing. There are some do's and don'ts for storing your watercolor brushes. Don't store your wet brushes in a jar, either with the tip up or down. With the tip down, the bristle can lose its shape and bend. With the tip up while wet, the water still in the bristles can seep down into the ferrule, loosening it from the handle over time. You can still store your brushes in a jar, just be sure they are fully dry with the tip facing up. Don't put your brushes directly in your purse or bag without a protective case. I like to store my brushes in a roll-up organizer. This protects them, keeps my cat from playing with them, and is great to travel with. A bonus tip is to keep the plastic cover that comes with your brush when you purchase it. You can use this cover for when you travel. How to condition your watercolor brush. Over time, your brushes may need some additional care. If your brushes are losing their shape or need cleaning that just water can't do, you'll want to use the Master's Brush Cleaner. Simply rinse your brush under water, swirl in the cleaner into a lather, and rinse, and repeat if necessary. While the brush is still wet, shape the brush and lay horizontally to air dry. Let me know in the comments your biggest takeaway from this video. I linked in the description below links to my favorite watercolor brushes and other supplies in this video. I also have some watercolor challenges, classes, and tutorials you may want to check out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.